had just launched the latest project of RLC Residences. It's called Mantawi Residences.
We call Mantawi Residences a frontier of progress because it's rising in a city that's also emerging into this progressive state, Mandawi City. We're at exactly the entrance of Mandawi City.
When we designed this project, we really had to keep the needs of our future homeowners. We're giving them bigger and more efficient units. We designed every unit to have loggias so that they can have their own private spaces. More importantly, we designed it to have one of the biggest amenities across all our RLC Residences project, 1.3 hectares of amenities, and it's across multiple levels. The innovation nowadays is changing, improving every day. So we are conscious about delivering smart home-ready units.
We're still at the building stage, so there's no better time to invest than now.
When you have a place with RLC, it's not just about business, but they really take care of you. They advise you. It's a lifetime relationship with them. Everything is just luxe, first class, pinag-isipan, quality.
I really like to invite everyone to go see and experience for yourself what Mantawi Residences is all about.